Hi, we will talk about Java 101, indexOf, and charAt. Assume you have a string and you call that your name. Your name is Jason. And you want to figure out, let's say, letter of n will be what index. In this case, you need to just go with integers and you want to find the position of that, which is name, and you just say dot index of parentheses. So I said letter of n, I need to have my quotation marks, double quotation mark, and I have my semicolon. And right at that point, I'm going to just print out position for this case. When I run my code, I'll just give number 4. If we remember, we start from 0, so letter of J will match with 0, and letter of A will match with 1, letter of S will match with 2, and letter of O will match with 3. Lastly, letter of N will match with 4. And the letter of N will give me 4. Let's assume you have again this string and that's your name. You want to find out the character when it's given a number. Let's say a position is given to you. What character is it? So your character, again, your example is name, and in this case, and dot again, you have your charAt and your parentheses. Let's say for this case you are going to place number 2, and I have my system print out for C. When I run my code, it'll give letter of S, because if you remember, letter of S was going to be matching with number 2. That's the location. If you want to print out the char method, let's say in a direct way, so you can even call this system out. You have your name dot charAt, let's say number 3. And when you print it, for number 3, it will be printing O, and I'm basically doing a shortcut. When I did the last line for system out, basically I'm doing a shortcut of this highlighted part.